Hello, my name is Aditya, and in this video we are going to talk about the top features of this Philips hand blender that we have. This model used on a daily basis lets you create new kind of cuisines on a daily basis, and you have two extra blades that you can try out for whipping and whisking of different items as well. So here are the top features of this hand blender. So this Philips hand blender, as you can see over here with us, it's got a white color touch along with a blue touches in between. This is the single operation button that you have. So basically what Philips is doing is it's letting you create new sort of cuisines on a daily basis, hot or cold, without any kind of complication. So it's very easy to use. You just have to press this button and get started. So at the bottom you have the place where the blades fit in, and Philips offers this as a rust free thing. So you're making sure that even though you're putting in iron rods over here, it's not going to rust. So that's a very handy thing. You have these extra blades that help you with whisking and whipping. So again, adding more options to your kind of palette that you can add into your menu and try different things. And hot and cold means that you can try it around different times of the year depending on what season you are in. In addition to this, in terms of the way that it works is that you have this power cord that it's attached over to the hand blender, and it supports 230V power wattage, and the motor inside built into this hand blender offers 250 watt. So the power wattage of this motor is 250 watt, and the power voltage, that means when you connect it to the power socket, it's going to consume 230V of power on a single basis whenever you're using it. In addition to this, you also have the stand, and it's easy to clean. As you can see, it's a very simple format over here. So you just have to clean up the blades over here and make sure that it's ready for use next time all over again. Apart from that, what you also have is this is a made in India product, so that's always a handy thing. And in addition to this, you have a brand which is known for its durability, so it's quite sturdy in hand as well, and it will make sure that when you're using it, it doesn't give you a lot of vibrations, and that's something also which is handy, especially when you're going to use it so much on a daily basis. So as you can see, this hand blender is quite a multitasker. You can create hot and cold items in less than 20 minutes, and you also have these two extra blades that help you whisking and whipping items, so just to add more variety into your daily cuisine. So this is the Philips hand blender. For more videos, stay tuned with us.